In the world of interior design and furniture craftsmanship, there is a growing appreciation for the beauty of natural materials, particularly wood. Among the myriad ways to bring the outdoors in and embrace organic aesthetics, transforming timber into functional art stands out as an especially compelling approach, none more so than through the creation of unique coffee tables with organic flair. This practice not only celebrates the inherent charm and authenticity of wood, but also redefines the boundaries between nature and craftsmanship. The advantages of transforming timber into artistic coffee tables are manifold, ranging from sustainability and individuality to durability, emotional resonance, and the enhancement of spatial aesthetics. By harnessing the raw, unrefined beauty of timber and skillfully shaping it into one-of-a-kind coffee tables, artisans and designers merge artistic vision with functionality, creating centerpieces that do far more than merely hold cups. They tell stories, connect people to nature, and elevate the soul of a room. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to Kuki Decor, your creative space for stylish, simple, and inspiring wood decor ideas. Today we will show you the collection of unique coffee table design ideas with organic flair. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and crafts ideas videos daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. To never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas, smash the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like, share this video, as your likes and share enable us grow our channel to give you more content in return and keeps the ideas flowing. Thanks for being here. Let's make something beautiful together with Kuki Decor. One of the foremost advantages of transforming timber into art is the way it breathes individuality into interior spaces. Unlike mass-produced furniture made of synthetic materials or processed woods, each slab of raw timber carries with it a unique fingerprint, grain patterns, knots, splits, burls, and even imperfections that are inherently impossible to replicate. This natural variance ensures that no two timber coffee tables are ever exactly alike. In an era increasingly defined by mass consumption and homogeneity, the value of uniqueness has never been higher. A coffee table fashioned from a reclaimed walnut slab or a wind-fallen oak root immediately becomes the focal point of any room, drawing the eye and starting conversations. It is both sculpture and surface, striking a delicate balance between art and utility. This uniqueness is not merely visual. It also connects owners more deeply with the furniture they own, instilling pride, sentiment, and even a sense of legacy. The artistic potential of timber as a medium is virtually limitless, particularly in the hands of skilled craftsmen. Artisans can sculpt, carve, burn, polish, or even embed resin and stone to highlight the natural features of the wood. Live edge designs, where the natural contours of the tree are preserved rather than squared off, retain the organic authenticity of the source material, making each piece feel alive. These edges often swirl and flow unpredictably, evoking rivers, waves, or the topography of landscapes. Meanwhile, the juxtaposition of timber with modern materials like metal, glass, or epoxy resin offers countless opportunities for innovation. Tables that integrate resin inlays, for instance, can mimic the look of flowing rivers or glowing geological veins, enhancing the organic feel with a sense of movement and depth. The combination of rustic timber with sleek metal legs or minimalist glass tops creates a balanced harmony between old and new, natural and industrial, traditional and contemporary. This fusion of styles is one of the reasons timber art tables have such wide appeal across design genres, from Scandinavian minimalism and industrial chic to rustic farmhouse and wabi-sabi aesthetics. Furthermore, handcrafted timber tables often exhibit superior durability and longevity compared to mass-produced alternatives. Hardwood species such as maple, walnut, oak, and cherry are known for their strength and resistance to wear, making them ideal for a high-use item like a coffee table. When properly cared for, timber tables can last generations, becoming heirlooms that carry emotional and familial significance. Over time, they absorb the traces of life, coffee rings, scratches, and subtle changes in hue, all of which add to their narrative rather than detract from their value. Unlike disposable furniture, which is often designed for temporary use and quick replacement, artisanal timber tables are built to age gracefully. This aligns not only with sustainable living practices, but also with the growing cultural shift toward mindful consumption, where longevity, repairability, and provenance matter more than ever. Transforming timber into art also celebrates the craftsmanship and human touch that go into making each table. In a world dominated by automation and algorithms, the revival of handwork stands as an act of resistance and affirmation of human creativity. Each curve chiseled, each edge polished, each joint fitted with care reflects the labor, intuition, and skill of the artisan. This human element imbues the furniture with soul and story, turning it into more than just an object. Many artisans even inscribe their signature or a date onto the underside of their creations, marking the piece not just as furniture, but as a work of art and heritage. Supporting such craftspeople also means investing in local economies, preserving traditional woodworking skills, and fostering a culture that values artistry over assembly line efficiency. For customers, there is a deep satisfaction in knowing the origins of their furniture, the hands that shaped it, the tree it came from, the story behind its design. It adds a layer of emotional richness that mass-manufactured items cannot replicate. Moreover, timber art coffee tables offer exceptional versatility in terms of design and function. While their primary role may be to serve as a surface for drinks, books, or decor, their sculptural quality allows them to serve secondary roles as statement pieces, informal seating, conversation starters, and even meditative anchors in a room. Depending on the scale and design, a timber coffee table can ground a space visually, bridge stylistic elements, or define the character of a room entirely. In open-concept living areas, they help create focal points and zones without the need for walls or dividers. In smaller spaces, a thoughtfully designed timber table can carry enough visual interest to eliminate the need for additional decor. Their neutral tones and organic textures make them easily adaptable across color palettes and seasonal styles, offering both design continuity and evolution over time. In summary, transforming timber into art through the medium of coffee tables offers a wealth of advantages that span the practical, aesthetic, emotional, and ecological domains. These tables transcend their utilitarian function, becoming embodiments of nature, expressions of individuality, and symbols of sustainable living. They invite us to slow down, appreciate the handmade, and reconnect with the textures and rhythms of the natural world. Whether placed in a modern loft, a rustic cabin, or an urban apartment, a timber art coffee table brings with it the quiet strength and enduring beauty of the forest, making it not just furniture, but a living narrative in wood. Thanks so much for watching. I hope today's idea sparked some inspiration for your own space. Here at Kuki Decor, we are all about turning simple wood into something truly special. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts or ideas for future projects. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new DIY. Your support means the world and helps Kuki Decor keep growing and creating. Until next time, stay creative and keep building beauty.